Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What's up, guys, and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. When you're upset, just imagine a T-Rex making a bed. Now, this isn't going to be very relevant if you are actually a T-Rex, so I'm sorry. But if you're not, then have a think about this. Sometimes life is just very hard and can get on top of you. But what you can do is just take a step back and think, what would a T-Rex do in my situation? One thing you can do that it can't is make a bed. So just how bad is your situation right now?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.